Did you know? Through-hole pin soldering has long been a challenge in precision and speed. Now laser solder wire soldering offers a smarter solution. This process uses automated wire feeding and high-energy laser heating. The solder wire melts instantly, forming a strong, reliable joint. It adds non-contact, precisely controls heat, and avoids damage to components. Whereas no spatter, no flux residue, clean and eco-friendly, perfect for high-density, multi-pin PCB assemblies. Compared to manual soldering, it's more stable and highly automated, improving both quality and productivity. Today, this technology is widely used in automotive electronics, medical devices, industrial control, and communication modules. Laser solder wire soldering represents the future of precision electronics manufacturing. Smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. If you're seeking a high-performance soldering solution, this is one you can't afford to miss.